The new Miele G7100 series is an upgrade over their old series with brand new cycles and features. But how do you know if it's right for you and your family? In this video, we'll walk through the new features and how they compare to their top competition. We'll detail the G7100's best features, including reliability, and compare it to Bosch and KitchenAid models at $1,499, as well as the new introductions in all the G7000 series Miele dishwashers. In the end, you'll know whether this dishwasher is right for you. Let's look at what Miele has improved. This dishwasher is now 43 decibels, or 2 to 3 decibels quieter than the old series, so it's under the quietness threshold of 44 decibels. Miele's always dried well. There's an air intake on the bottom directing the outside air to the side of the dishwasher. The hot steamier air is attracted to the cooler side and dissipated as water. The Miele racks have always been flexible. Every G7000 dishwasher has their 3D racks, so you can slide them to accommodate more larger dishes below. However, they did remove the removable tines on the bottom rack. Like other brands, it's harder to fit larger or odd-shaped pans. The wash system stays the same. It's still one of the best with 3 full wash arms. The wash options did change the most. Miele has several usable cycles controlling time and temperature. The pots and pan cycle is amongst the hottest in the industry at 167 degrees, while the delicate cycle is amongst the lowest at 113 degrees. But they have a few new interesting cycles like quick intense wash. This cycle cleans and dries regularly soiled dishes in just 58 minutes. The intense zone option provides a longer wash duration and the lower basket at a higher temperature to scour plates and platters. This series is sensor driven, with an auto sensor and sensor to sense soil level in the water to adjust time and temperature in the wash and dry cycles. Miele is a decent package of washing, drying, racking, and cycles. But how does it compare against Bosch and KitchenAid at similar $1,499 prices? Bosch has their new feature Crystal Dry at about $1,279, or cheaper than the Miele. They use a volcanic element called zeolite to emit heat and absorb moisture. It actually works. Bosch is also technically quieter at 40 decibels. However, Miele has better racks. Miele is also a better wash system with 3 full spray arms versus 2 and a sprinkler head in the Bosch. KitchenAid has an interesting new dishwasher. It has the largest third rack and 4 levels of washing. However, one of those sprays is smaller holes in the second rack itself. Although KitchenAid has a competitively priced dishwasher at $1,399, most of the best features available at just $1,199. KitchenAid has also shifted to a Miele-style intake drying system, along with a heated dry option. Still, Miele has better cycles, more usable features, and better options than a KitchenAid. Miele's next best series is at $19.99 and adds their revolutionary dispenser. It can hold up to 20 loads of detergent. The detergent is then released at the right time and temperature for the best cleaning results. I thought it was a gimmick myself, but clients reported the cleanest dishes and glasses using that dispenser. You also have a couple more wash programs, and a bit quieter, it adds Wi-Fi so you can turn on your dishwasher remotely and see how much detergent is being used as well. In terms of reliability, in 2017, a Miele dishwasher is one of the most reliable single products you can buy. They've fallen down a bit over the last few years due to simple issues like noisy solenoids and frozen motors. Both are easy fixes. So should you buy a Miele G7100 series, you should consider this dishwasher. However, at this price level, there are many good dishwashers to consider, including Bosch, KitchenAid, and even a few more of the more expensive Miele dishwashers.